It's raining, and I love it. I love it. This is a game changer, apparently, according to this person, okay? I saw this on Facebook, and I had to try it. Okay? So, at the Pillsbury, I never tried this before, so let's see. But I do have an air fryer, so it's at 350. I'm gonna cook it for 3 minutes, and then it says here an extra 2 when you flip it. So, that's what we're doing. And then, we're gonna make an omelet. We're gonna cook some bacon, add some cheese, and try it out. Try it out. Looking at the photo, if you look at it, I think they cut in half, so I don't think I need 2. I just need 1, and I'm gonna cut it in half and make a sandwich. Ooh, I know it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Let's make the omelet bowl. Yep. So I'm just gonna season this with salt, okay? So let's move you over. So we're gonna make our omelet here. Very simple. I'm gonna add some spray. Add that in there. Don't be shy. From here. Ooh, I broke it. It's okay. It's okay. We're not perfect. We're not perfect. Okay, and look at that. The omelet is ready. I put the bacon in 375 for 10 minutes. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna try to cut this one in half, okay? So let's see how it goes. So this is how it looks on the inside. And you know, it wasn't that bad to cut it, so that's good. With the base, 2 slices of bacon, okay? Egg, ooh, sharp cheddar cheese, which I'm going to melt in a second. Yeah, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. So 2 more slices of bacon. Boom. Ooh. Put the other lid. Hey, put the other lid. Look at that. This looks awesome. The icing, yes, icing. Let me see if I can do it cute. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. Time to try it. Ooh, this is gonna be my new breakfast sandwich for sure. Yeah. Wow, that's delicious. I'm gonna make this for my family ASAP. With a breakfast patty, like the sausage patty. Yes, because I don't really care for bacon, but the sausage patty, that's gonna be the next one for sure. Man, 10 out of 10 for sure. That was great. I'm definitely making that again. Anyway, guys, if you're gonna make this, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel. More videos coming up, okay? Stay blessed. See ya. Peace.